Centre. We are staying at the Hive Hotel, which is just over the road from the Rome Termini station. Once again, Rufus has joined us and is currently enjoying a can of San Pellegrino. So first off, when you walk into the room, you have your storage area. There's complimentary slippers, loads of wardrobe space, loads of luggage racks as well, so if you are travelling with lots of large suitcases. Tea and coffee making facilities, large safe, drawers, obviously air conditioning as it's currently 36 in Rome. The main living area, so you've got a large double bed. We've also got a fold out sofa bed for Rufus. 32-inch TV, I'm guessing. And there is a small fridge, small desk area as well. Not much of a view from the outside as we are in the city centre, so we're just overlooking other really old buildings. Inside this cupboard, it's just more storage. Fridge, inside the fridge, that is fully stocked, and there are minibar prices on here, quite reasonably priced, about €2.50 for a can of Coke. Moving into the bathroom. Rufus, I'm going to hand over to you to take you through the bathroom area.
Here you've got a bath with a sink with a shower. Then you've got a sink with too many bottles of lotion and stuff.
Now, everything in this hotel is themed to a beehive. So the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap are all honey scented. We have stayed here before, and the toiletries smell really great, particularly the lotion, so we'll be taking all of those home with us.
Then you've got a toilet and these collections of lights. B-Day. Horrifying.
In terms of charging, there's bedside charging ports as well as USB ports on either side of the bed. There's also a telephone, in-room dining and room service. And the best feature about the hotel on the top floor is a rooftop terrace with restaurant and bar. We've demolished many apparel spritz in there a few years ago. And that's it. Thank you.